Time is the scarcest resource, and unless it is managed, nothing else can be managed. Follow effective action with quiet reflection will come even more effective action. Effective leadership is not about making speeches or being liked. Leadership is defined by result, not by attributes. The aim of marketing is to know and understand the customer so well the product or service fits him and sells itself. Efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right things. There is nothing so useless as doing efficiently that which should not be done at all. The important thing in the communication is hearing what isn't said. The computer is a Maru. When subject becomes totally obsolete, we make it a required course. Business that's easily defined, it's other people's money. Never mind your happiness, do your duty. Accept the fact that we have to treat almost anybody as a volunteer. Management is doing things right. Leadership is doing the right things. Plans are only good intentions unless they immediately degenerate into hard work. The best way to predict the future is to create it. We can say with certainty or 90% probability that the new industry that are about to be born will have nothing to do with the information. Rank does not confer privilege or give power, it imposes responsibility. The only thing we know about the future is that it will be different. My greatest strength as a consultant is to be ignorant and ask a few questions. The purpose of a business is to create a customer. Knowledge has to be improved, challenged, and increased constantly, or it vanishes. Today, knowledge has power. It controls access to opportunity and advancement. Most of what we call management consists of making it difficult for people to get their work done. The entrepreneur always searches for change, responds to it, and exploits it as an opportunity. A manager is responsible for the application and performance of knowledge. Thanks for watching the motivational quotes, Peter Drucker quotes. Do subscribe to my channel, friends.